I woke up, it was 7, waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends, but I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone when you're spending every day on your own? And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me. And maybe when the night is dead, I'll crawl into my bed, staring at these four walls again. I'll try to think about the last time I had a good time. Everyone's got somewhere to go, and they're gonna leave me here on my own. And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid.
So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. I keep thinking times will never change. Keep on thinking things will always be the same. But when we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out 'cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now 'cause you don't have another day. 'Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of that night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can he ever find a job that won't interfere with routine? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's my time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola. Walang sikreto kayong tinatago, okay sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakan na sa kolehiyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, pagkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pa ng mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan. Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Ilang taon din ang nakalipas, wala pa sa aming tatay na nagsusumikap upang yumaman at guminhawang kinabukasan. Paminsan-minsan kami nagkikita, mga naiwan at natira. At gaya nung araw namin sa eskwela, pag magkasama'y nagwawala. Napakahirap malimutan ang saya ng aming samahan. Kahit lumipas ng ilang taon, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan.